Hi everyone, in this video we have to simplify the square root of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus so on up to 36. So in this equation you are seeing here the sign plus so on to 36. So in this case we have the four options: 333, square root 333, 666 and square root of 666. So one of these four options are true. How we can solve this? How we can simplify this? We can simplify this without calculator. We are simplifying. Here we need to understand the sequence. What is the sequence? Here is 36 and 1. 36 plus 1 will be 37. Meanwhile, if I move onward, and here the second last term, that is 35. The 35 plus 2 is again 37. If I move onward, 3 plus and the backward 34, it is again 37. So here I am seeing that here is the pairing of the numbers. When I add, I get 37. So how many numbers are there? There are the 36 numbers. And how many pairs? How many pairs are there? 36 divided by 2 is equals to 18. So there are the 18 pairs. So in this case, I can find the square root of this term. Firstly, I have to find the value of this. So I know there are the 18 pairs and each pair gives 37. So it is 18 times 37. When I multiply 18 by 37, I get 666. So this is the answer. C part is right? No. Because here is all the terms under the square root. So here I have to apply the square root. So D part is the right part.